Hey Curly, so I have a really impromptu video for you guys. I just got my mail today and I have a package from the curlbox. I'm pretty sure this seems bigger than, I do subscribe to curlbox, but this seems bigger than the regular curlbox. So I think that this is the birthday box for Courtney from the main choice, Courtney Adelaide. It is, I can tell already. I started opening it. It's something that's not even, it's not even in a special box. It's just a box packed full of goodies. So I have not looked in here. This is my first time opening it. Y'all just saw me with them scissors. So this is the box. It's packed full of stuff. It's a rumor that it should be a completely brand new product from her newest line that she's coming out with in here, but we'll see. So I'm going to tell you guys what is in here. So we have the boosting kit. This is actually really good. I got this from Walgreens. This is really good. Then we have the tropical moringa mask. We have, ooh, I really like this mask. This is the Do It For The Culture Magnificent Miracle Mask. The Do It For The Culture is really, really nice, guys. It's really, really nice. This is the Fresh Mango and Passionfruit Mask Exotic Kool-Aid. I think this might be the newest thing because I haven't heard of this one. Let me know if I'm wrong in the comments, but I have never heard. It smells really, really good. I haven't heard of this one. And usually I'm like on top of all her product lines. So this one I think is brand new. And this is the Exotic Kool-Aid, like laid edges, laid mask. Oh, that seems really good. Then I have the Accomplished Triple Layer Leave-In for Do It For The Culture. This entire line is really good. If you are on the fence about trying it, I know I was like, I'm not going to buy no more hair products. I got enough hair products. I get the curl box. I buy products, but I ended up buying it. Long story short, I am an addict, but I love stuff. Like, I love hair stuff. This is the Pearly Braid Out Glaze. This is really nice for braid outs. You can even define a wash and go with this. I have done that before. Ooh, I've never heard. I think this is new too. I think it's this Exotic Kool-Aid line. I'm pretty sure this is her new line. Because I haven't heard of this. This is a Minty Guava and Kiwi Shampoo. I'm going to smell it. I'm going to open it. Oh, that smells really good. It smells minty and guava-y, so it's like sweet but minty. And I like this shampoo nozzle. So it's the Healthy Hair Food Collection. This is the new line. I can guarantee you. I know my main choice. This is the new line. Oh, this is nice though. I like this applicator because, you know, a lot of times when you wash your hair, I mean, your hair itself can get dirty, but the water kind of rinses that away. But what you really want to cleanse is the scalp. And sometimes when you put shampoo in, it's hard to get to the scalp. So I definitely like this nozzle. That was ingenious, girl. Oh, shoot, I'm dropping stuff. Then we also got the Powerful Shampoo from Do It For The Culture. We got, oh, I really like this. This is the Untouchable Definition and Unmatched Volume Spray from Do It For The Culture. It's a sophisticated sheen spray. So what it basically is, it's like a mix between her liquid sprays as well as her oil sprays. It's actually really, really good. I really like this. It does give you really nice shine, and it also gives you nice moisturization. This is also the new line, the Exotic Kool-Aid Sweet Papaya and Pineapple Infinite Conditioner. So I'm assuming that obviously it smells delicious. This smells really good. I'm going to be done left this up in my hair sheet playing. This smells too good to rinse out. I'm pretty sure it's rinse out too. Yep, it's rinse out. But you can leave it in. You can use it as co-wash too. This smells really good. You're going to want to leave this up in your hair. Yep, so her newest line. Here's your first little spoiler alert for the main choice. If you are obsessed with the product lines like I am, her newest line is the Exotic Kool-Aid line, and it smells really, really good. Then we have the Type 4 Leave-In Cream. This stuff is also really good. This is another good line. All of her lines are honestly good. And then the last thing we have in here is the Type 4 Edge Control. This stuff, the Freeze Gel, it's really good. And what's great about this too, if you're on the fence about it, not only does it hold your hair, you do need to tie it up, but it does really hold your hair. But what it also does, it has all these great vitamins in it, clove oil, flaxseed, aloe vera, to not dry your edges out. And it also kind of helps it grow because it still has the same good stuff that her regular products have. All of like the vitamin E, the biotin, castor oil, all of those things in here too. Definitely good one. So that is everything that came in the box. So we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 products in this box. 11 products. These products, do you know how much these products cost? These products normally cost like about, on average, 15. Oh no, I forgot one. 12 products. And if you count each one of these, this is more than 12. But I'm just going to count this one. So we got 12 products in this box. All of this together is worth so much. And you also get her newest line, the Kool-Aid line. So I'm pretty excited. We have three products from the Kool-Aid line. We've got a mask, shampoo, and a mask, shampoo, and conditioner. Yep, this is the mask. So this exotic Kool-Aid line, I'm really excited to try. So you get 12 whole products, and it was like basically a steal. Like literally, that's my mouth dropping because this is amazing. I'm excited. It's not even wash day for me, but I'm like planning my next wash day. And if you know me, you know I be so behind on wash day, but I'm gonna be washing on time this weekend. I'm really excited about the new product line. So once I try out this exotic Kool-Aid, if you are interested, I can bring you a video about it so I can share with you like how it works in my hair and my recommendations, tips, all of those great things. But this birthday box, I think I ended up paying a total of, I really can't remember. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but I'll put it in there. But I think it was like $80 maybe, because I think this box itself was like $60 and shipping was like $15. Or I might have that all wrong. But the point that I'm trying to make is this is worth way more than what I paid for it. And I get to try this new line first. I don't even know. She hasn't really said anything. Like, if you follow Courtney on Instagram, Courtney Adelaide, then you'll see that she's been trying out some new products. And her hair has been looking real fly. But she won't spill the tea on what it is. So I'm pretty sure it's these masks and shampoo and conditioner she's trying out. So if you guys are interested in like how it works in my hair, let me know down in the comments and I'll definitely bring you a video. I want to thank you so much for watching this unboxing. I hope you give this video a thumbs up as well as like it. Oh wait, that's the same thing. I'm tired, y'all. I barely slept last night. But the point of the matter is, like the video and subscribe to my channel to keep up with me. Thanks guys so much for watching and have a great day.